Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about affiliate marketing for beginners. So make sure to watch the full video. The affiliate marketing industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry with exciting professional opportunities for creators. It's fast becoming a common way for e-commerce brands to market their products and services. Statista reports that in 2020 alone, over 2 billion people purchased goods or services online, and e-retail sales surpassed $4.2 trillion worldwide. Amongst those billions of people now buying things online, Awen's review of affiliate marketing in 2021 showed that by April, 37% of people were buying products through affiliate links. How affiliate marketing works? Affiliate marketing is a sales model where a company pays a third party to sell their product or service. If you've ever listened to a podcast or seen a social media influencer promote a product, they are affiliate marketers. In exchange for recommending products or services to their audience, they get a commission off of any sales that result in their referral. After you choose an affiliate marketing program, you'll receive a unique link or code that will allow the companies to track every customer you send their way. When a customer purchases the product through your link, you earn a commission. What are the benefits of affiliate marketing? Now that you understand how affiliate marketing works, let's look at a few top benefits. You don't own the products you're promoting. Most public affiliate programs are larger and don't require that you buy any of the products you recommend, like Amazon Associates. You simply join their affiliate program, grab your link, and post it on your page or website. It's perfect when you're starting out, because you don't have to invest a bunch of money into physical or digital products off the bat. You can take some time and experiment and see which types of products and services are gaining the most traction with your audience. It's a passive income source. Once you've established the groundwork to keep traffic coming to your site, you're pretty much set. All you have to do is choose the right affiliate partners that will appeal to your audience and post those links. Your unique links and codes will continue to bring in a recurring commission for you, as long as you keep them visible on your site. High earning potential. Affiliate marketing has six-figure earning potential for newcomers. You may not bring in that sort of money right at the jump, but there is real potential for affiliate marketing to replace your 9-to-5. Pat Flynn, for example, reported to Business Insider that he earns up to $170,000 per month thanks to the affiliate marketing business. Adventure junkie and founder of Biking Know How Rohan Kadam also turned his blog from a passion project into a successful online business by using affiliate sales. I scaled my affiliate marketing business, especially during the challenging COVID pandemic, and made it profitable in a short period. So Rohan quit his full-time job at JP Morgan Chase and is now a full-time blogger and affiliate marketer. How much can you make as a new affiliate marketer? Commission rates vary depending on the company you're working with. The Amazon Associates program offers anywhere from a 1% to 10% commission on sales. Others, like ButcherBox and Thrive Market, offer a flat $20 commission per sale. There are even affiliate programs that offer recurring commissions as high as 30% per sale. How much you can make with affiliate marketing is completely up to you. It'll depend on how much traffic you can generate toward your site, how well you gauge which affiliate products and services your audience will respond to, and the affiliate programs you join. Statista reports that the affiliate marketing industry is due to reach $8.2 billion in the US by 2022, which is up from the $5.4 billion that it was valued at in 2017. So it's a growing market. In fact, according to Google Trends, there has been an increase of interest in affiliate marketing of 142% from 2016 to the present, though interest peaked in the summer 2021 with an increase of 426%. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go.